Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fourth lesson of D1, chapter number 13, exercise 13A, that is about the conversion of units. In this class, students will be learning and discussing question number 5. First of all, read and understand question number 5. Question 5 says, a piece of wire 144 centimeter long is bent to form a semicircle as shown in the figure. Find the diameter of the semicircle, giving your answer in meters, and we have to take pi as 22/7. Let's try to understand the question. That we have a wire, and what is the length of that wire? 144 centimeters. 144 centimeter we have the wire, and we are bending this wire, and we are reshaping the wire in form of the semicircle, and we have to find the diameter. We know that the diameter is the distance from the center of the circle, or it's a line that passes through the center of the circle and it has the ends on the circumference of the circle. So that wire will be used for making this semicircular portion plus the diameter. Yes, let's make the learning corner here, thinking corner. Always make the thinking corner in your working. Okay, now let's think about that this 144 centimeter wire will be used for making the diameter plus this semicircular portion. If we have the full circle with us, then we need how much wire? That is the circumference of this circle, that is pi d or 2 pi r, as we are having the half circle circumference on this side. So we will be needing how much wire for making that 2 pi r by 2. So this 144 centimeter wire is distributed for making diameter plus the circular portion of the semicircular part. That is, for that we are going to use pi and r. Now again the problem is that one of the letter on the right hand side is d and the other is r. We cannot solve the equation, but we know the diameter equals to 2r. So we are going to replace, so that our whole equation will become in form of r. I hope now you are clear. 144 centimeter wire will be used for making diameter plus pi r, and I hope you are clear that why pi r, because this is not the full circle, this is a half circle. And now what to do with this diameter? I will replace it by 2r plus pi r. And now I hope you have done chapter number 4 of D1, where we are studying that how to factorize, how to pull out common factor. 2 plus pi into r. And now the question says use pi as 22/7. So we have to follow the instructions as well. Don't forget to follow the instructions. So instead of pi, 22/7. Learn to make your calculation easy, please, so that you can solve the questions in paper 1. Here the denominator is 1, so denominator LCM will be 7. 2 times is 14 plus 22, and this is r. And this will become 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 36/7 r, and 144. Now I have to go for cross multiplication. 144 multiplied by 7 by 36. 7 will go in the numerator and 36 in the denominator, and this is equal to r. Let me go up. Learn to utilize your working space properly. This becomes 144 multiplied by 7 by 36, and we have to find the diameter. Okay, then I have to think about the table that is suitable. If I'm reading the table of 2 to 18 times, 2 18 times, 2 7 times, and 2 times. 18 I hope 4 times. 18 fours is 72, 18 ones and 18 fours. Let me confirm that. 18 multiplied by 4, 4 eights are 32, 2 and 4 ones are 4 and 3 7, and I'm left with 4 multiplied by 7, and radius equals to 28 and centimeters. And then actual requirement is the diameter equals to double the radius, 2 times 28, and which is equal to 56 centimeter. And now the question says give your answer in meters. We know that 1 meter equals to what? 100 centimeters, and we need to convert centimeters to meters. 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 over 100 meters, and this is small to big, divide. So diameter will be equal to 56 divided by 100 meters, and we know the rule for placing the decimal, that is 0.56 meters diameter. I hope you are clear that how we are making the use of the concept of the circumference and the diameter for finding the radius, and then the radius is multiplied by 2 to get diameter, and then we have converted the smaller units to bigger units. Okay, and the diameter has become 56 and centimeters and 0.56 meters. And this portion is the radius, and this is 28 and 28. Really easy, really important questions for your O-level paper 1 as well. Please, O3 students can also watch and understand this lesson. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.